If you want to learn how to start affiliate marketing using Clickbank, you're in the right place. What's going on? My name is Garrett Barry. I've been full-time online the last 5 years with affiliate marketing. And as you follow me in this entire video, I'm going to break down exactly how to start an account with Clickbank, how to find good products, how to actually promote those products, and then how to scale to make even more commissions. So you want to pay close attention. Now I'm on the screen right now, right here. You can see some commissions inside of Clickbank. This is what it looks like when you actually start making sales using the formula that I'm about to break down in this video. Now, the very first step we want to do is we want to create a free account on Clickbank. Now, if you're brand new and you've never used Clickbank before, you have to actually create an account. And again, it's totally free to find products and affiliate links that you can share with people to earn commission. So we want to go to clickbank.com. Now, once you're over on clickbank.com, you just go to the top right where it says sign up and you click that button. Now, this takes you to a sign up form. Okay, now you just want to put your country, your first, your last name, phone number, email, and then password. Okay, now the email and password is going to be how you're actually going to be logging in. Okay, so you want to remember that, and then you just want to continue to terms and conditions and go ahead and join Clickbank. Okay, it takes just a few minutes, very, very simple. Now, once you create a free account on Clickbank, we want to choose a niche. Okay, now what is a niche? If you're brand new to affiliate marketing, a niche is just a topic of a specific product. Okay, so we don't want to just go in there to Clickbank and start looking around for just random products to start promoting. We want to think very strategically and we want to choose a niche. Now, when it comes to choosing a niche, I highly recommend, especially again if you're brand new, you choose one of the 3 evergreen niches. Now, evergreen means that these niches, these topics are always going to be relevant. You may do some niche and it's here today, it's really popular, and then in a week it's not popular anymore. So to save you time, frustration, you want to choose a niche that's going to be around for, if not ever, for a very long time. So what are the 3 evergreen niches that are always going to be relevant? Well, that is health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, so people are always going to want to improve their health. They're always going to improve their wealth, whether save money, make more money, and they're always going to want to get better at relationships. So if you choose one of these niches to go into on Clickbank, then chances are you're going to be very, very good. So how do we actually do that? Well, once you log into Clickbank, you want to go to the very top under Marketplace. Okay, now Marketplace has these categories or different niches. Okay, you can see betting systems, computer, internet. But again, I highly recommend you stick to e-business, e-marketing, health and fitness, okay, and then self-help. Okay, this is usually where you can find some like dating guides, relationship type products, okay? So once you choose one, and again, don't think too hard about this. Choose one that maybe you're naturally drawn to, okay? If you like relationships or you want to help people make money online, whatever you're kind of interested in, you want to start there. Now, e-business and e-marketing, let's do this for example. So you could click on that topic, okay, that niche, and now it's going to show you products. These are all different products in Clickbank that you can start promoting as an affiliate. And when someone buys that product through your affiliate link, you will actually earn commissions on Clickbank. Okay, so how do we find good products? Because if I go to step 3, choose a good product to promote in that niche. So how do we actually find a good product? Because not all these products are actually good. So what I highly recommend is you go here to sort results by, and you go to gravity. Now, gravity is actually a score that Clickbank creates for you where they take the average amount of affiliates that have made sales within that week, okay, and they give you that number. Now, for example, this right here, okay, Click Wealth System has a gravity score of 213, meaning close to 213, okay, a little bit more than that, 214 or so affiliates have made sales with this product this week. Okay, so I know that if other people are making sales, this is a hot product, this is a good selling product, and if I promote the same thing, chances are I'm going to also be able to make good sales, okay, good money. Now, another thing you want to consider, though, is the average dollar per conversion. This is what average amount of money you're going to make per sale. Okay. Now, you don't want to promote something that pays you too little, because then, you can make sales, but it's going to take you a lot of sales to make any good money. So I try to do at least $25 or higher average dollar per conversion. So this one right here, okay, 173, that's really good. Anything above 100 is really, really good. And this one has 36. So if you like what you see, okay, like let's say, for example, 12-minute affiliate system. If I like this, again, the good gravity, good average dollar per conversion, this is $167, which is really good. To get our affiliate link, what we would do is click promote, generate hop links, and this is our affiliate link. Okay, so we want to save this. Now, I recommend also, though, opening up that affiliate link and looking over the sales page, because we want to look and see, is this something we personally resonate with? Is this something that maybe we would buy? Okay, so you want to look over it. Again, it's selling really well, so we know that it's a pretty good sales page, but you want to feel good about the products you recommend. And again, you want to look over, this looks pretty good, so I would personally probably promote that. Okay, now the very next step is we want to get traffic, okay? If you don't know what that means, it's basically people to now click our affiliate link, because affiliate marketing is a numbers game, right? So the more people that we can actually get to click our affiliate link, the more sales we're going to actually get. So how do we get traffic or other people to click our affiliate link? Well, there's two main ways we can do that, okay? There's paid advertising and there's free advertising. Now, what is the difference? Well, one of them, you have to pay money, okay, to run an ad to get people to see our affiliate link. And the other way is free. Okay, now which is better? Okay, a lot of people just want to start with free, right? Oh, I don't want to spend money. There's pros and cons to both. Okay, paid advertising, the pro, the good, is it's very quick. Okay, so if you're someone that wants results fast, if you want to, just go ahead and get, fast results and be able to track what you're doing, paid advertising is very good, because again, you can pay today and get an ad running later this afternoon, okay, and start to get some results. Free advertising is good because, again, it's free. You don't have to spend money, but it takes a little bit more time. So you have to ask yourself, do you have more money and less time, or do you have more time and less money? And based on that, I would recommend you do that. You could also do both. Okay, do some paid advertising, and while that's running, you can also be doing free. So I want to cover both examples of both ways. So in this video, you can know how to do the full process, right? Find products and actually promote and make sales. So for paid advertising, one of the best places I highly recommend is a place called Traffic Authority. Okay, Traffic Authority is a website where they supply you with clicks to whatever affiliate link you want. And the good thing about Traffic Authority is these clicks are very qualified people, okay? So if you purchase traffic from Traffic Authority and they give you clicks, okay, you can see if you go to the top traffic store inside Traffic Authority, you can select how many clicks, okay, you want to your affiliate link. And you can see the price here. Okay, so as the click amount increases, the price increases. And the delivery time is about 7 to 14 days, okay? Now, let's say I wanted to choose the basic package, right? I highly recommend, at least if you can, the silver, okay? But, let's say you started off with the basic. You would go there, other website, and you'd put in, okay, the website you want to promote. Now, in our case, you could put your affiliate link right here, okay? And once you do that, you can actually go here, hook up a card, okay, debit or credit card, and you can agree to the terms and place order. And within the day or two, you will start getting clicks to this affiliate link. Okay, now again, I want to stress that the clicks in Traffic Authority, because they've been around for many, many years, the clicks are real people that are interested in specifically make money online. With Traffic Authority, it's make money online type offers. So again, the people are very qualified. They're from top tier countries, meaning countries that the people have money to actually invest into products. So this is a very good choice, okay? Now for free advertising, what I highly recommend you use is social media, okay? Sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, sites like this, because there's a lot of people, and again, you can post for free. You can post ads, you can post different things. Now I have a lot of videos on my channel as far as specific social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, how to market Clickbank products and affiliate products on there. So I highly recommend you check that out after this video if you're interested. But, and I'll just give you a quick overview. Basically, you can go to Facebook, just your main Facebook profile, and you can post ads on your profile, okay? Now, you can see right here, okay, I actually did that. Okay, so a few months ago, I posted an ad like this, okay? Attention money seekers, one funnel equals 4 income streams. And I listed the different income streams that product had, okay? And then here's crucial. When you do social media, you want to give calls to action. What does that mean? That means you tell people to either comment on the post or direct message you, okay, for more information. So you can see right here, I had this ad, and then I said, want more information? Comment yes below, and I'll send you the link for more info. Okay, and then I had a picture of some results. Now, if you don't have results, you can just go to the sales page. You can actually usually find results. Okay, so if I scroll down, okay, right here, these are results of people. So I could share this on my Facebook. Okay, just screenshot this, share this on my Facebook right here, and say, hey, these people are getting incredible results. If you want to learn more how they're doing it, comment info. And you can see right here, okay, yes, yes, yes. I told them to comment yes if they want information. Yes, info, please. Okay, and then what do? You just open up their profile, message them the link to your affiliate product that you're promoting. Okay, so you just say, hey, I saw you commented for more information. Here's an overview. Check it out and see what you think. And then you just send them your affiliate link. Okay, and that's really how you can start getting traffic, both paid and free. Now, I do want to share with you, if you're interested in Traffic Authority, I'm going to include a link directly below this video where you can actually create an account with Traffic Authority and purchase clicks so you can start getting paid advertising. And again, you can go back to my other videos for the free advertising breakdown. And last but not least, the last step is I highly recommend, as you're earning these commissions, okay, on Clickbank, you take what you earn and you reinvest into more ads, okay? You reinvest into paid advertising. Now, how much should you invest? If you're serious, I highly recommend 30% or more, okay? 30% or more of your earnings. So for example, if you earn $100, then I would take $30 and invest into more ads, okay? This process of earning and then reinvesting is going to allow you to make more and more and more money, and it's going to compound. You're going to have momentum, and you're really going to start to create the results you truly want with Clickbank. Now, that's really the formula, my friend. It's really that simple. I hope you got a tremendous amount of value on exactly how to start affiliate marketing with Clickbank. If you like this video, you want me to make more step-by-step affiliate marketing tutorials, be sure to click the like button to let me know. Also, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my latest step-by-step training. And last but not least, Clickbank is great if you're starting off as an affiliate marketer, but the problem is if you send people right to your affiliate link, a lot of people are not going to buy instantly and you can't follow up with them. I highly recommend you use a funnel. So you send someone to a website to capture their email, and then you follow up through automated emails to start to produce commissions on autopilot. If you're interested in learning my #1 affiliate system that has done for you funnels, high converting sales videos, reoccurring and instant paying commissions up to $2,000, be sure to click the first link in the description. Put your best email on my website and I'll shoot you over a overview video of exactly how that system works so you can start to make the most money as fast as possible. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training.